All right. We're going to talk for a minute about some coins. Here is the penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. Penny, penny, copper brown, you're worth 1 cent. I have found. I have 1 cube here. A penny is worth 1 cent. Penny. Oh, I had this upside down. And look, on the back of the penny, it even says 1 cent. And remember that our nation's motto is on all of our coins. At the top of the penny, it says, "In God we trust." That is our nation's motto. All right, so the penny is worth 1 cent. How much is a nickel worth? A nickel is worth, did you say 5? A nickel is worth 5 cents. Let's see what's on the back of the nickel. On the back of the nickel, we have Monticello. That's a building. And on the front of the nickel, we have Thomas Jefferson. And oh, look, there's our nation's motto on the nickel. In God we trust. How much is a nickel worth? A nickel is worth 5 cents. I have 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because a nickel is worth 5 cents. Get your big fat voice. Are you ready? Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. What letter does nickel begin with? Yes, nickel begins with the letter N. Nickel. All right. How much is a dime worth? How much is a dime worth? A dime is worth 10 cents. On the back of the dime, we can see there is a torch. And if we turn it back over and look at the front of the nickel, we can see our nation's motto again. In God we trust. A dime is worth 10 cents, and I have 10 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because a dime is worth 10 cents. That's not going to stand up, so I'm going to lay it down. A dime is worth 10 cents. What is the beginning sound on dime? Good. D. The D says D in dime. The dime is the smallest of our coins. Can you get your little tiny voice out? Dime, little and thin. I know that. You're worth 10. Yes, a dime is worth 10 cents. How much is a quarter worth? A quarter is worth 25 cents. Ooh, that's a lot. Look, on the quarter, it says our nation's motto. In God we trust. I hope you can see that. In God we trust. A quarter is worth 25 cents. Ooh, I have 25 cubes here. It shows us how much a quarter is worth. Will you help me count my cubes? We'll count across each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. A quarter is worth 25 cents. If I had 25 pennies, that would be the same as having a quarter, 25 cents. Now get your big, bold voice out. Quarter is the biggest of our coins. Are you ready? Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25 cents, I'm told. Now look in your packet and you're going to find a piece of paper that looks like this. I want you to take this strip of paper. We have 4 coins that we're going to cut out. The penny, the nickel, the dime, and the quarter. So we're going to cut those out with our scissors. Now, this is kind of tricky when you're cutting circles. Your helping hand is going to help turn that paper for you. So we're going to start at the top with the penny. Get your scissors. Do make sure thumbkin is on the top. And make sure that your helping hand is going to be turning the paper for you. Are you ready? Let's begin. So we're going to turn that paper. Just use that helping hand to turn. See, my helping hand is just continuing to turn my paper for me. Good, I have my penny. I'm going to put that right there. Now let's do the nickel. I'm going to keep turning my paper with my helping hand. Keep turning that paper. Keep turning. Good, there's my nickel. Just going to put that there for a minute. Next we're going to do our dime. Make sure that thumb's still on the top. Use that helping hand. Turn that paper with your helping hand. Keep turning that paper. We're just going to let that music keep playing till we're all done. Good, we're going to, now I've got one more, just let it, I think I'm going to let it keep turning one more time here. Just going to keep turning, using that helping hand to turn the paper. And keep turning. I'm going to let you cut just for another minute. What shape are my coins? Yes, my coins are the shape of a circle, aren't they? A circle goes round and round. Cindy Circle is my name. I go round and round. Half of me can smile and half of me can frown. Good. While you finish cutting that, I'm going to clean up my workspace here because we're going to do something else in just a minute. So I'm going to move these things out of the way. You keep cutting. Do your best. Use that helping hand. Good. I think I've about got my workspace all cleaned up. All right. Hopefully you're all done now too. Good job. Okay. Let's look at our paper here. Pull this out of your Tuesday packet. And on your paper, you're going to see we've got, at the top it says penny. Penny, penny, copper brown. You're worth 1 cent, I have found. We're going to take our penny and we're just going to glue our penny to the penny that says front. This is the front of the penny. Abraham Lincoln's picture is on the front of the penny, and we're just going to glue his picture right there. So you take your glue stick and put a little bit of glue on the back of your penny, and we're just going to glue it down right there. Good job. Did you get that on? Fantastic. All right, a penny is worth how much? Yes, a penny is worth 1 cent. Good. All right, let's go to the next page. Which coin is worth 5 cents? The nickel. The nickel is worth 5 cents. So find your nickel. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. Find your nickel with Thomas Jefferson. And we're going to glue that where it says front. That's the front of the coin. Good. A nickel is worth 5 cents. Go to the next page. The littlest of the coins, but it's worth more than the penny and the nickel. This is the dime. Can you find your dime and put a little bit of glue on the back of your dime? Remember, a dab of glue will do. And then you're going to glue that to the front. There we go. All right. A dime is worth 10 cents. Good. All right, go to the next page. How much is a quarter? A quarter is worth how much? Yes, a quarter is worth, can you read this with me? 25 cents. A quarter is worth 25 cents. So let's put a little bit of glue on there. George Washington is on the front of the quarter. So we're going to glue George Washington's picture onto the quarter, the front of the quarter. This is the back and this is the front. Good. The quarter is worth 25 cents. How much is $1 worth? Ooh. Did you know that $1 is worth 100 cents? If you had 100 pennies, that would be the same as having $1. Would you take your green crayon, and we're going to color our dollar green. And do your best to stay in the lines and color that dollar green. Good job. Our nation's motto is also written on the dollar. On the $1 bill, you're going to find the words, "In God we trust." All right. Now, I'm going to give you a little job to do. I didn't have enough coins to send home with everybody. We're going to do some coin sorting. I have a little piggy bank here. I have a piggy bank for quarters, and a piggy bank for dimes, and a piggy bank for pennies, and a piggy bank for nickels. You are going to go on a coin hunt around your house. When I was a little girl, I used to like to go for coin hunts at my house. I looked between the cushions in the sofa. I looked around the washing machine and the dryer. I looked on the floor in the car. I looked everywhere to find pennies, nickels, and dimes. Maybe you can go on a coin hunt around your house. You're going to look for some quarters, some nickels, some dimes, and some pennies. And when you find them, bring them back to your mat, and you're going to sort those coins. You're going to put all the dimes in the dime bank. and you're going to put all the nickels in the nickel bank and all the quarters in the quarter bank. And you're going to put all the copper brown pennies in the penny bank. So you get ready to go on a coin hunt. See what kind of coins you can find around your house. And then you bring them back to your mat and you sort them into the right piggy banks. Oh, I found a lot of coins. Goodness gracious. Wow, look at all my quarters. Ooh. Which one of my piggy banks has the most coins in it? Ooh, the quarter and the dime banks both have 5 coins, don't they? Which one of my piggy banks has the least amount of coins? Yes, my nickel bank only has 3 coins. How many coins are in my penny bank? There are 4 pennies in my penny bank. All right, so your job now is to go find some coins and sort them into the right piggy banks.